Hey friend, welcome or welcome back. So today I have Melody Susie in the house, and this package is super special because it's part of their 15-year anniversary collaboration, and your girl got a pink dust collector in PR from Melody Susie. Shout out to Melody Susie and congratulations to them for their 15-year anniversary. I'm so grateful to be part of this collaboration. I feel like it's major. But let's get into this unboxing. So first of all, it comes with a warranty, which is great. You always want to have a warranty with any product you buy, just in case something goes wrong. I, for one, know that very well. And look at this dust collector. It is so cute and small. Like, I don't even know if my hand will cover this entire thing. Look at the manual. It's literally just the same size as the dust collector. But in this kit, you will get the dust collector and the charger to go to the dust collector. And I'm going to turn it on and let you hear how loud it is, just so you can kind of get the feel of what it sounds like, how loud it is. I'll put it on the lowest and the highest. I'll definitely be using this in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. So the fan definitely has good ventilation on each side of the dust collector. There's like holes for the air to go through and to keep it from overheating and getting hot. But I really enjoy this. Definitely want to switch your filters out basically every 2 to 3 months max. You don't want to push it past that. But shout out to Melody Susie for hooking your girl up with this pretty pink, small, compact dust collector. I absolutely love it. I have a discount code for you guys. I'll leave it in the description box with the link to this, so you can go straight to their website and purchase it if you're interested. It's just a discount code for you to save money. And I hope you enjoyed this review. Until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.